Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox and set up the all-new C7 Dual EZVIZ camera. So EZVIZ just sent me this camera. Let's just remove this plastic on it, just so the camera picks it up a little bit better. We don't get any glare. That's better. So this does have a dual camera. So right over here, it's a dual 2K lens, so they're both 2K. It's got human detection, AI. It's got two-way calling, patrol mode. Here it is right here. Patrol mode, history playback, H.265. Here we go. So the bottom one looks like it's a fixed lens, and the top one rotates 360 degrees. So that's pretty cool. So you can have the camera pointed to, let's say, your front door, and you can have the top camera just rotating the rest of the room. It's got motion detection. It is an AI camera. So there it is again, human shape tracking. So it even does tracking. So that's pretty cool. So once again, have the bottom camera pointing one direction and have the top one track whatever moves. It's got night vision, which we'll test out the night shot as well. It's a dual band, which is great. If you saw my other videos before, that's what you want. So it's a lot harder to hack. And this way you also get better strength. Sleep mode, micro SD, supports up to 512 gigs, which is great. Most of them only do 256, and even has cloud service optional. So let's open it up, see what it comes with. So here's the camera. Leave that aside for now. So here's your manual with the QR. Nothing there, just put this aside. Let's see what it comes inside here. So mounting screws. Template. So it does come with a mount. If you can see that, it's an actual angle. So maybe you want to mount this off the ceiling or somewhere. So you could hardwire it. Charging. Get that. And it looks like it comes with a fairly long cord as well. Let's open this up. So here is the speaker. So there's the one camera and there's the second one. There's a little pinhole there. There's a QR to scan. At the back, looks like the reset button. It's hard to see what it says there. There's the charging, and there is your micro SD slot. Okay, let's download the app and let's set it up. Okay, so we gotta download the app. Head over to the App Store or the Play Store. I got an iPhone in front of me, so I'm using the Apple Store. This is the app we need, so I'm gonna hit Get. Download's gonna start. It's a free app. Okay, hit Open. Notifications, this is if you want to get the alerts on the camera, so you will have to hit Allow. Now you pick your region. I'm in Canada, so selecting Canada. So we go right over here, create a new account, and now you enter your details. So I'm going to enter mine. So once you set up the account, this is the page you're going to get. So now we're going to hit right over here, the little plus, add device. So we're going to look for our device. So I guess it's on the camera. It's asking for access. Yes, because remember you got that QR code at the bottom of the camera. So hit OK. We have to hit allow. It detected the camera. It's right there. Device is powered on. Let's check mark that. Hit next. So now we need to add it to our Wi-Fi. So start. It's asking if it's plugged in. Wait 1 minute. I got the light flashing. So next step. We have to allow it. Now you get to search for your Wi-Fi. Mine's right here. Then press OK.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected.
So the camera gives you, I don't know if you guys heard that.
Platform registration successful.
Oh, there you go. So the camera.
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
So there you go. So it picked up the camera. That was pretty quick. I actually thought it would take longer than that, but as you guys can see, it picked it up pretty quick. So let's finish this off. I'm just going to hit done. For here, you can rename it. And you can pick an area where you want to put it. So that's what that mount's for. If you want to hang the camera upside down, this way I believe you could switch it around. Okay, hit confirm. Done. I'm not going to do cloud service, so I'm just going to hit the X. Hit no thanks. So right over here, it looks like it's doing an update. So yes, there is an update. Let's click on it. Might as well update it. There, we got the completed sign. Press OK. Okay, perfect. So we got both cameras back up. Now, I'm going to take this camera outside and let's check out the quality of it. Okay, so here's both cameras. So this is the PTZ one. This one rotates 360 degrees. So right here on the top, if you're not sure, it says the PT, which is pan and tilt. There is no zoom unless you pinch and stretch it out this way. Put this on full screen. So as you guys can see, it's a nice picture. Let's see if we get this. Okay, so if I swipe, this is the fixed part right here. It's actually a really wide lens. And as you guys can see, it's actually an incredible picture too. Full audio. And this is the PT one, so it is more zoomed in. So here is the PT functions right here. So if I go there, it rotates. And this does have patrol mode as well. So if somebody walks on my sidewalk, it should follow them. As you guys can see, so far it's a great picture. So you know what? I'm going to leave this camera outside for now, and we're going to check out the night shot. So there you guys have it. So that's the night shot and the daytime shot. I have to say this has got to be one of the easiest cameras to set up. If you guys are interested in this camera, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.